Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on System, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. From here you need to select Theme and scroll down. Then click on Show More to see all the available ones, and when you're ready, click on the best one for you. I will go with maybe that one. Now you can manage key borders by clicking on this switcher, and when you're finished, click on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. I will go with a gallery, choose albums, tap on maybe this photo, and finally we can pinch to scale and drag it to move. After that, tap on Next. Now adjust brightness by swiping on the slider, click on Done, and manage key borders thanks to this switcher. You can also edit your keyboard by tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then manage key borders, tap on Apply, and when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!